I don't buy new cars, I don't buy brand names. I go to Goodwill for my clothes. I like to save money, I like to find bargains. It's the life I chose. I throw nothing away, I'll find a use another day for all this junk I keep. My neighbors all hate me, they abuse and berate me, 'cause I like doing it cheap. Yeah, I like doing it cheap. Welcome to another episode of Doing It Cheap. Well, my goodness, a lot has transpired just in a few seconds. You've gone from that last little bit to now. Oh man, let's see. I drove to the farm, made the film driving. I fed the chickens. I moved the chicken tractor, make sure they have plenty of water and feed to get them through the night and on into the morning. Filmed little Aracanas, hauled some stuff to the farm, unloaded that up there. I came back, I went to Advanced Auto Parts, and I picked up some stuff that one of my viewers strongly recommends, and that's Seafoam Deep Creep. He said that beats the shit out of PB Blaster. Well, it better. PB Blaster is about $3.50 a can. Now this is $12, and I've put I've hit it a few shots on here to, even though I've bought my screw extractor and a appropriate drill. Anything that can help ease the pressure and pardon me, and let that come out easier, you know, the better off we are. Don't want to break any of this. Came back, sprayed that on there. Stopped at Burger King, got 5 $1 sandwiches. Man, they've got a crispy chicken rodeo style. It's got barbecue sauce and onion rings on it. They're pretty damn good for $1. And here in my town in Tullahoma, they give you Arby's, McDonald's, I think, but Burger King for sure. Arby's and Burger King and Kentucky Fried Chicken give the military a discount. Now, Kentucky Fried Chicken, they call it they give you the senior citizen discount, but they don't have a genuine military, but they give you the senior citizen. Anyway, it's nice of them, and it is appreciated. So I'm going to if you've never used a screw extractor before, I know them by the term easy out, and basically what they are is this little tool right here, and it is threaded these. Well, that's the drill bit. The screw extractor has a left-handed spiral, so the idea is you drill a hole in the bolt or stud that's broke off in your piece of equipment. Anyway, you drill a hole to accept that extractor, and the idea being that you know, you ain't got nothing. You know, I don't have a head on my bolt to put a wrench on, so we have to do it this way. So let me turn you around here. I don't know if you'll be able to see what I'm doing or not. We're going to try. Well, that's got you in the ballpark. Anyway, let me get this.
Alright, that's got to be about a 1/2 inch hole in there. Let's see if it's going to be enough to bite it. Give it another shot. Boy, I tell you, one thing after the other. Okay. So I've got that extractor stuck in there. Let's see, can you see that? Yeah. Alright. So we got that in there. I'm gonna go get a better wrench to operate instead of just this little pipe wrench. I'm gonna get something better. Heaven forbid I use the right tool for the job. Holy crap. That's definitely not the redneck way. Alright. See if we can do something. I have to drill my hole a little deeper, it looks like. Alright. So I've drilled my hole all the way through the bolt, all the way through that stud, because I hit a cavity, an open cavity in behind. So we can't drill no deeper. So this thing has got to grab that bolt and get out of there. Whew. Well, I was afraid of that son of a bitch. Oh, well, hell. Now then, I'm gonna have to grind that smooth, drill a hole in it, and tap threads for $1.20. Oh well, I guess you'll see that in a few seconds, and for me it might be a few days.